Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop applications automatically starting every time you restart a KDE based distro. Now for this example, I am using Kubuntu, but you could be using KDE Neon, Q4OS, Debian, any other KDE based distros. And the problem is this. So imagine I've got this application open, imagine I've got this terminal open, and I restart my computer. Now, by default in KDE, when you restart your computer, it's going to restart these applications. So say you've got 10 applications open, they're all going to reload as soon as you start your computer. So what we don't want is that. So what we do is we go to the settings screen and you scroll down to the bottom and you click on this session option here. And you can see you've got these three options here on login, launch apps that were open on last logout. Or you can start with an empty session. So this is the one I recommend. Now for those of you wondering, the middle one is sort of like a halfway house, and if I hover over here it says a save session button will appear in the application launcher. When you click it, Plasma will remember the apps. So essentially when you've got your apps open that you want to start on startup, you go to that save session option and it will save those applications for when you restart your computer. Personally, I think most people will either want all the applications they had open on last logout, or they want to start with an empty session. Me, I like to start with an empty session, and so I thought I'd show you this today. And all you have to do is click apply, and that's it. Next time I reboot my computer, it'll be a blank canvas. And that is the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Everyday Linux User.